Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel and you never seen me before, so hi, my name is Shikha and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to create this Eid makeup look which is inspired by the most gorgeous diva of Bollywood, that is Kareena Kapoor Khan, on this beautiful occasion of Eid. And here's the look that I came up with. So before starting this video, make sure to hit a like button and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. So without any further ado, let's start this video. As we already know that Kareena Kapoor's skin is so beautiful and glowy. So first of all, I'm going to moisturize my skin with Dr. Balboa moisturizer that I got in the PR kit from the face shop. And this is a very important step before doing any makeup. It helps to moisturize and gives a proper glow to your face. In today's video, I will also give you very important tips which will be very helpful for you. So next one is my favorite primer from Nykaa, that is Prep Me Up Primer, to blur out all the pores that allow makeup to go on smoother and last longer. To get a proper look like Kareena Kapoor Khan, and for this beautiful Eid occasion, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation and Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter from Nykaa. Mix them together and make a mixture like this and apply it over your face. I am making some dots so that this mixture covers every area of my face and spread easily. I am blending this mixture with the help of blender from Color Bar. Coverage of this mixture is really so amazing. A glamorous glow is already visible that we needed for this look, so blend it properly. To contour my face like Bebo, I am using Contour Face Palette 01 Subtle Summit from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm using it in the hollow of my cheekbones and in the circumference of my face. Next, I'm using K-Beauty by Katrina eyebrow pencil in the shade of Walnut. According to Kareena Kapoor's look, her eyebrow shape is a bit thinner in the end, so it's a bit tricky part, so let's do this. Now I'm taking some concealer on a flat brush and then हम eyebrows को एक proper shape देंगे. Concealer plays a very important role on this part because it helps to correct your mistakes. For eyes, I am going to use Huda Beauty palette. Now I am going to use light brown color to fill in my crease. Blend it properly because it's a base color. Next I am using Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade of 01 Black to Black. And if you want to create any smoky look, I'm suggesting the same because I'm so impressed with their pigmentation. So if you want this same look, then follow my every step. It's all okay if it's not perfect or clean because we are going to smudging out anyway. I'm blending this kohl with the help of brush to achieving a smoky look. It's not like a proper smoky look. कई बार होता है कि बहुत पूरे eye के ऊपर होता है, but it's a Kareena Kapoor makeup. So I just draw a thin layer of kohl and blending it out. Next I'm using this dark brown shade and very light-handedly I'm going to apply it over the layer of kohl. So do this properly क्योंकि जितना अच्छे से आप blend करोगे उतना ही अच्छा look आएगा. Now apply the same color under the area of waterline. And then again I'm using this Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in my waterline and blending with the help of brush. Next, I'm using this color from the Sugar Cosmetics to filling my waterline and top lash line. After this, I'm going to apply Infallible Full Wear Concealer from L'Oreal Paris. I'm making some dots under my eyes and then I blend it out with the help of blender from Colorbar. Next, I'm using blush from L'Oreal Paris in the shade of 11 Be Perfect. And I just love this color, especially their pigmentation is so good. As we already know, Bebo is blessed with natural pink cheeks, so we just need to acquire that skin. Keep the color on the apples of your cheeks and swipe back towards your hairline. Find the sweet spot, smile and light the dust blush where your cheeks pop up. Build the color as needed. If you have fair skin tone, your most flattering color are light shades of pink, light peach and sheer rose. If you have light olive to olive skin tone, you should go with peach, sheer coral, mid-range, deep rose, brownish rose and golden browns. Medium skin tones, you should go with mid-range apricot or peach or rose and also with mid-range pink. Best color for dark skin tone, brick color, apricot, dark bronze, berry, deep pink, plum and cinnamons with some shimmer. I flushed more blush, so to lighten up, I'm blending it with the help of blender. Alright, so here we go. After that, I'm taking blank blush और इसमें बिल्कुल भी blush नहीं लगा होगा, so जितना भी blush आपके cheek पे रह गया है, उसको blend करना है. And it's done. Next, I'm using highlighter from the L'Oreal Paris in the shade of 16 Be Brave. It's a blush according to this packaging, so I'm using it as a highlighter because their pigmentation is so shimmery, so I can't use it as a blush. As you can see, it already gives you... Okay, so tip time. Okay, a creamy highlighter works especially well on the dry skin, and a powder formula on the other hand is better for oily skin. Next, I'm using mascara from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade of 01 Black with a Bang. Before applying mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And if you have any Eid related memories, so you can also share with me in the comment section. I would love to read your comments, girls. If you have any suggestion, request or query, so please let me know in the comment section too. It didn't seem like she had any false lashes, so I'm gonna skip that step. She had a very natural skin tone on her lips. It almost looked like she only enhanced the color of her lips. So for that, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade of 309 No Lies. And I'm just dabbing it over my lips. You can already see a visible difference on my lips. To achieving the final look, I'm gonna take Nykaa Bullet lipstick in the shade of 03M. It helps me to achieve that pink shade like Kareena Kapoor. So that's how I finished my makeup part. Now it's time for wearing earrings, and these earrings I got from Club Factory. And just because of this lockdown, I didn't get that identical earring like Kareena Kapoor Khan. I hope these earrings works. For hair, I'm doing a little bit change. She have straight hair, but I want wavy hair. So now girls, this is my final look. I enjoyed a lot while filming this video. I hope you enjoyed it too. I hope I was able to do some justice with Bebo's look. Comment down below and please let me know. And I value and love your comments and suggestions a lot. If you like this video, so make sure to hit a like button and also share it with your friends and family. That really means a lot to me. If you want to see more videos like this, tutorials, skincare, hacks, tips and tricks, so please make sure to subscribe my channel right now. For all new updates, my life and everything, you can follow me on my Instagram as well. Already put the link in the description box along with the product links that I've used today. So yeah, that's it for today and I'll meet you in my next video. Take care guys and bye bye.